The West Indian manatee, a unique and important asset to Florida, is being threatened by their high mortality rate. While their low reproductive rates and loss of habitat contribute to their low numbers, a large percentage of the manatee deaths can be associated with human activity, most specifically the collision with boats and barges. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and private organizations have made a massive public boating education effort to try to reduce the number of deaths caused in this manner. A significant number of manatees are also killed at flood control structures and canal locks. Bergman Associates, in conjunction with the Florida Department of Environmental Protection, is designing and implementing manatee protection systems to keep these gentle creatures out of harm's way around flood control structures, such as the RodmanSpillway, located in Putnam County. These structures pose two major threats to the manatee, which can result in either injury or death. The first threat involves the operation of the water control structure's moving parts. If a manatee is within the range of motion of the operated moving parts, then the manatee can be seriously hurt or even crushed to death. The second threat occurs when a gate is only partially opened, with insufficient space to allow the manatee to pass. As the manatee swims near the gate, the force of the moving water, also known as Venturi effect, pulls the manatee against the gate opening. These mammals are then caught in the current, held below the water's surface, and subsequently drown because they cannot surface to breathe. As a preventative measure, Bergman Associates has proposed and designed safety screens that will allow the free flow of water, yet keep the manatees at a safe distance from the gates. These safety screens will be inserted into the dam's existing upstream bulkhead slots. This will not only eliminate the threat of drowning by providing a sufficient distance from the floodgates to allow the manatees to escape the strong pull of the current, but will also provide a barrier to keep manatees from swimming under the gates and being crushed. Also, if the spillway gate is opened at least 2.5 feet, the screens can be partially lifted and pinned into position to allow the manatees safe passage through the gate structure. This is just one of the many methods that Bergman Associates is exploring to help Florida's state agencies promote the proliferation of this unique